We are planting Vivaldi, Charlotte, potato.
All right, guys. Well, it's all about Kyra, Alivia and Rowan today. They planted their spuds back on the 2nd of April, 3 months ago. Crikey. They've been itching to tip these out for quite a few weeks now. But as Mum and Dad said, patience you must have, my young Padawans. Have patience and all will be revealed, to quote Yoda in Star Wars. Hang around, see what they tip out, and I'll tell you what, guys, just wait and see what the recipe is at the end. Absolutely fantastic.
I dig, no dig well, green fingers. Kyra, Alivia, Rowan. Now it's time to see our potatoes. Let's see how many we have. This is so hard, Kyra, isn't it? I found one. I've got 4 in there already. I've got 1. Wait, I lost my phone. I've got fun doing it well. I've got 5 in there. Hello? Oh, look at that. That's tiny. I don't know how. I've already got 3. Look how many I have. Well, that's a lot. I know! Found another 4. Mum, is this one? Yeah. I just do. No, I'm not going to count that one because that is. Oh, there's something in there. Huh? Something in
Do you remember what potato type they were, kids?
These are potatoes. These are Vivaldi potatoes. These are Charlotte potatoes.
Well, it doesn't get much better than this, in my opinion. Chucking some spuds in a supermarket shopping bag with some old compost and getting some spuds out. More out than in. Can't be bad, in my opinion. We could have waited another week or 2 maybe, but they wanted to get them out. And let's see what they made with them.
Today we are using our potatoes to make a soup, a salad, dips.
That looks fantastic. Well done, guys.
I dig